Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'll be showing you guys a quick tutorial of how to do a braided hair tie. So this is how long the scarf is, and then I'm going to put this scarf, but in order to keep your baby hair, if you want a baby hair, you need to tuck it in, and you need to like leave some space in front so your baby hair shows, because you don't want to drag it back. So I tucked it in as well because I don't want it to hurt my ear, because I'm going to take this scarf for a very long time, like 12 hours or whatever. You need to make it very comfortable. So this is the third strands I'll be adding to this hair. You could use whatever color you want. I just decided to use pink, and you're going to divide it into two sections, and you make sure that the front section is smaller or shorter than the back section, depending on how long your hair tie or your scarf is. And then I am just going to start braiding here. You could start braiding and making the pink one the middle strand, so it becomes like very popping and visible. But that's how I did mine, because I was doing it for the tutorial. So I braided it all the way down, and you just need to make sure that it's the same length with the other hair, with the other hand. Me and hair tutorials. Okay, yeah, back to whatever I was saying. So after braiding, I'll just keep that one aside, the braid, and then I'm going to use the remaining strands and I'm going to wrap it around. I just wanted something very easy, not too tight, not too tight actually. So I didn't really roll or twist this other strands of scarf. I didn't twist it. I just made sure it was like fluffy and very comfortable, because I was gonna take this scarf for 12 whole hours. So always be mindful of your front, and you'd have to tuck it in to the other strands of the hair you rolled at the back for your safe keeping. Okay, and voila, this is what it is. And I'm gonna go in to wear my earrings, and this is it, guys. Don't you just love it? Don't you just love the braids? If you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I love you. Thank you. Bye.